Hey everyone, it's Maha. So today we'll be going over a one-tool example of the sort tool in Alteryx. So let's get into it. But before we get started, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button to help me stay consistent with producing weekly content. Now, let's get into it. So where can the sort tool be found? So we can either click on the Preparations tab and find our sort tool, or we could just simply type in our sort tool in the search bar at the top. A sort tool has one input anchor and one output anchor. And the sort tool's job is it can select a column or many columns, and it either sorts your data in ascending order or descending order, depending on what you select. So let's see a couple examples. So the first example, we're going to be sorting one column using the dictionary order. I have a text input which I have created 3 columns, one being fruit topping, which is a string value. I have an ice cream column, which is also another string value, and I have an integer column, which is just integers. So if I connect our sort tool to this text input, on the configuration pane, we're going to have something that looks like this on the left-hand side. So as you can see that I've already inputted a name being fruit topping, and I want it in ascending order. So all that means is this fruit topping column over here, it's going to be sorted in ascending. Because it is a string type, my ascending order goes from A to Z. Now, as you can see here on row 5, 6, and 7, we have some anomalies. We have strawberry in capital S. We have row 6 being strawberry in lowercase. The spelling's wrong, but we'll move on. And the record 7 having a punctuation before the word. So how does that become sorted? If you can see here, the output here would look something like this. The reason for this being is when we're doing ascending orders, for our string types, we're following a hierarchy, which is basically punctuations first, so that's why apostrophe strawberry comes in record 1. And then we have lower cases, and then we have upper cases if it starts with the same letter. And this again is done with dictionary order. And if we were to do descending order, it would just be from Z to A. Now, what would happen if we uncheck this dictionary order? Actually, so we'll look at the same example and we'll unselect this dictionary order. And what actually happens here is the uppercase and the lowercase get swapped around. So instead of it looking like the previous example where this lowercase was at record 6, it is now at record 7. And that's the difference between selecting or unselecting dictionary order when you're having a string type. So let's move on to sorting 2 different columns together. So as you can see here, I have selected ice cream and to be ascending first. So that means I'm going to be looking at the column ice cream. So we're going to, again, ascending order meaning from A to Z. So I know straight away that chocolate is going to be at the top. And then it's saying we are going to be looking at the fruit topping column. So after ice cream has been sorted, we move on to the second column. So our output should look something like this. So as you can see here, within our chocolates, our fruit topping, apple comes first, and then pear, and then strawberry. The same thing happens for mint and vanilla. Now, what happens if we were to sort an integer data type? We have the integer being in an ascending order, and the output will be what you actually expect. It goes from the smallest number to the largest number. And again, inverse descending order would be from the largest to the smallest value. Now, a really fun example here is when we have the integer column to string numbers. So this means that this data type is actually a string data type. So all these numbers, their metadata is string. So what happens if I look at the string numbers in ascending order, but I have my dictionary order unticked? It's actually quite interesting. The output looks like something like this. And you're thinking, how is this being sorted. It doesn't look like it's being sorted, but actually it is. It's being sorted as it would sort a string data type, meaning it would look at the first set of numbers, so all our ones, and then it goes 2, 3, 4, and so on. And then it would look at the second number. So as we can see, 0, 0, 1, 1, and 3. And then lastly, it will look at the third column. But that is how a column containing numbers, but it being a string data type, would be ordered. So I hope this video helped you understand what a sort tool is and how we use it. If so, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and please like, comment and share. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!